Alright guys, so what I've got today is I've got this fluid quick headlight restorer from Temu. Let's check it out. My Jag's lights are pretty old, so let's see whether this really works. Alright, so this is ready. Let's put it on the cloth and let's try it out. Kind of a milky like substance. Alright, let's try it out if it really does work. Well, let's try more on the other side. Whether there is any effect. On the lights. What do you think? A bit?
Wiesz co? Chyba widać efekt.
Trochę jest.
No.
Spróbujmy jeszcze. Dzień dobry. Let's try a bit more. So there is some effects, guys. Let's put it on for a bit longer. Alright.
Without polishing?
Okay. We need to put it on the headlight and rub it.
No. Piotr, jest różnica diametralna.
Alright. So as you guys can see, it works. Really works, which I'm surprised. Let's check the other side. The other side is better. I'm gonna bring some fresh towel. Okay, let's try the other side, guys. Alright, let's wipe it clean.
Powiem Ci, że to jest różnica. I to jest ogromna.
Fajnie. So guys, it really did work on restoring this transparency of my Jag's lenses, and it wasn't that expensive, so this product I can recommend.